Unit 3. Subtraction. Exploring subtraction. Here we will learn subtraction by using different methods. Method 1. By using the place value. Let us subtract number 24 from 46. 46 minus 24 is equal to how much? First, we break up the second number using the place value. 46 minus 20 is equal to 26. 26 minus 4 is equal to 22. Method 2. By counting 46 minus 24 is equal to how much? First, we break up first number using place value. On counting 24 to 40 is 16. 40 to 46 is 6. 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. Method 3. By using the hundreds chart. 46 minus 24. First, we break up the second number using the place value. 46 minus 20 is equal to 26. 26 minus 4 is equal to 22. Teacher's tip. Give your pupils more practice on subtraction. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Regrouping tens to ones. Sometimes we may have enough ones when we subtract. We may have to regroup 1 10 to 10 ones. 27. 110 plus 17 ones. Subtract the number 326 from 514. 514 minus 326 is equal to how much? Step 1. Subtract the ones. But we can see that there are not enough ones. So we have to regroup. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Again regroup. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. Answer: 514 minus 326 is equal to 188. Example: subtract 756 from 987. Solution: hence 987 minus 756 is equal to 231. Example: subtract 395 from 624. Solution: hence 624 minus 395 is equal to 229. Step 1. 4 ones are less than 5 ones. So we can't subtract 5 from 4. 2. Borrow 110 from 210. Then we get 110 plus 4 ones is equal to 10 ones plus 4 ones is equal to 14 ones. Now 14 ones minus 5 ones is equal to 9 ones. Write 9 under the ones place. 3. Now from the tens place, we have taken 1 10 from 2 tens. But 1 10 is less than 9 tens. So we can't subtract 9 tens from 1 10. 4. Borrow 100 from the hundreds place. Then we get 100 plus 110 is equal to 10 tens plus 110 is equal to 11 tens. Now 11 tens minus 9 tens is equal to 2 tens. Write 2 under the tens place. 5. Since we have taken 100 from 600, only 500s remain. Then we get 500s minus 300s is equal to 200. Write 2 under the hundreds column. Subtraction with zeros and ones. Subtraction with 0. Subtract 235 from 500. Step 1. There are zeros at ones and tens places. So, first we regroup hundreds to tens. 500 plus 010 is equal to 400 plus 10 tens. Step 2. Now we regroup tens to ones and subtract ones. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 ones. Step 3. Subtract the tens and hundreds. We can use a shortcut. Just subtract 1 from both the numbers and then do the subtraction. 500 minus 1 is equal to 499. 235 minus 1 is equal to 234. 499 minus 234 is equal to 265. Subtraction with ones. Let us subtract 125 from 413. Step 1. Subtract the ones, but there are not enough ones. So we need regrouping. 110, 3 ones is equal to 0, 10, 13 ones. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Step 2. Subtract the tens. But there are not enough tens. So we need regrouping from hundreds to tens. 400, 0, 10 is equal to 3 hundreds, 10 tens. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 hundreds. 300 minus 100 is equal to 200. 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. We need to regroup twice in the subtraction of zeros and ones. Checking subtraction with addition. Subtract 345 from 697 and check your answer. In subtraction, when we subtract 345 from 697, then we get 352. And when we add 352 and 345, we get 697. Hence, a subtraction is correct. To build different sums by using the same numbers. We can build different sums by using the same numbers. 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. 30 plus 50 is equal to 80. 80 minus 50 is equal to 30. 80 minus 30 is equal to 50. 52 plus 43 is equal to 95. 43 plus 52 is equal to 95. 95 minus 52 is equal to 43. 95 minus 43 is equal to 52. Subtraction of big numbers. We have learned subtraction of 3-digit numbers earlier. Now we will learn about subtraction of big 4-digit numbers. Subtract 2435 from 3687. 3687 minus 2435 is equal to how much? Step 1. Subtract the ones. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 ones. Step 2. Subtract the tens. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 tenths. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 4 is equal to 200. Step 4. Subtract the thousands. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1000. Answer: 3687 minus 2435 is equal to 1252. Example: subtract 3252 from 9667. Solution: 9667 minus 3252 is equal to 6415. Subtracting ones, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 ones. Subtracting tens, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 tenth. Subtracting hundred, 6 minus 2 is equal to 400. Subtracting thousands, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6000. Hence, 9667 minus 3252 is equal to 6415. Checking the answers. For checking the answer, we add the answer to the smaller number. If their sum is equal to the greater number, we say that the answer is correct. Now let us check the answer in the above example. 9667 minus 3252 is equal to 6415. 6415 plus 3252 is equal to 9667. It shows that the answer to the question in the above example is correct. Estimating sum and differences. Here we will learn about estimation of sums and differences. Estimation of sums. Let us estimate the answer of this sum 34 plus 47. 34, it's round to 30. 47, it's round to 50. 30 plus 50 is equal to 80. The answer should be close to 80. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers with borrowing. Example. Subtract 3794 from 6283. Solution. Step 1. We write the numbers in the columns. Step 2. Subtract the ones. Since 3 is less than 4, we cannot subtract. So, we borrow 1/10 from 8/10. Now, 1/10 plus 3 ones is equal to 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 ones. Also, 13 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 9 ones. Write 9 under the ones column. Step 3. After borrowing 1/10, there are 7 tens in the tens column. We cannot subtract 9 tens from 7 tens. We borrow 100 from the hundreds place. Now 100 plus 7 tens is equal to 10 plus 7 is equal to 17 tens. Also 17 tens minus 9 tens is equal to 8 tens. Write 8 under the tens column. Step 4. Since we have taken 100 from 200s, only 100 remains. But 700s cannot be subtracted from 100. We borrow 1000 from the thousands place. 1000 plus 100 is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 1100. Now 11 minus 7 is equal to 400. Write 4 under the hundreds column. Step 5. Since we have taken 1000s from 6000, 5000s remain in the thousands place. After subtracting, we get 5 minus 3 is equal to 2000. Write 2 under the thousands column. Hence 6283 minus 3794 is equal to 2489. Now we solve 34 plus 47 again. 34 plus 47 is equal to 81. 81 is close to 80. Estimating of difference. Subtract 54 from 79. Actual difference 79 minus 34 is equal to 45. 79 rounds to 80. 34 rounds to 30. Estimated difference 80 minus 30 is equal to 50. We can see that actual difference is close to the estimated difference. To solve two-step problems. Sometimes we may need to do more than one calculation while solving a problem. These problems are called two-step problems. There were 65 people in a public bus and 52 people in another bus. If 72 were men, how many women were there in the both buses? Step 1. Add to find how many people were there in both the buses. 65 minus 52 is equal to 117. Step 2. Subtract to find how many women were there in both buses. 117 minus 72 is equal to 45. Answer. There were 45 women in both the buses. Trick C. Fill in the boxes.